Hello everyone, welcome to onlineaccounting.lk student support program. Today, I hope you all have done your A levels, maybe waiting for your results. Maybe you have received your result at the time of watching this video. Maybe you have done A levels 2-3 years ago. The whole objective of this video is to give you a kind of a guidance on what is chartered accountancy and what is ACCA. Why I am telling this? Because I am a chartered accountant, I am having the experience in this finance profession, finance industry, and I know what will be happening in the world in next 5 to 10 years when you are becoming a chartered accountant or when you are becoming a ACCA member. So it is my responsibility to guide you to decide, for you to decide what you need to do after A levels. Today, let's say now, just example, I am going to compare you with a doctor and an engineer. If you are a biology student and if you got selected to the medical faculty, when you are coming out of that, you are what? You are a doctor. You are a professional. And if you are coming from the combined maths and if you got selected to engineering, and once you done the engineering, when you came out, you are an engineer, you are a professional. But today, I am also a graduate from University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. I am a graduate from the accounting department of the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, which is the highest management specialized degree in Sri Lanka, where only the top level, top ranked students will be getting selected. But even though I got that degree, when I am getting out of the university, I am not a professional. I am a degree holder. I am not equal to that doctor and the engineer. So, what I am going to tell you today, if you want to become a professional from the commerce field, you have to do a professional qualification. When you are going to do a professional qualification, you have to decide which one is better. So, there are many qualifications. There are qualifications called Chartered Accountancy, ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Chartered Accountants. You have CIMA, Chartered Institute of Management Accounting. You have CMA, Certified Management Accounting. You have AAD. You have different qualifications. So, when there are different qualifications, you need to decide which qualification you need to follow. So that's why I'm going to guide you. So I have selected the most recognized two qualifications in Sri Lanka and in the world for you to guide. That is Chartered Accountancy and ACCA. First of all, Pute, I will be going for Chartered Accountancy. What is Chartered? What is Chartered? Chartered Accountant. You may heard the word Varlat Ganakadhikari, right? So, what is this? Chartered Accountancy is the premier accounting qualification in every country. Why I am telling every country? You may think Chartered Accounting is something that is only applicable to the Sri Lankan context. No. Why? If you go to India, what is the highest professional qualification in India? That is India Chartered Accountant. When you go to New Zealand, what is the highest recognized professional qualification in New Zealand? That is ANZ, right? Chartered Accountants of New Zealand, right? Australia and New Zealand. That is the Australian highest professional qualification as well. If you go to England, what is the highest professional qualification from accounting? That is Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, ICAEW. I'm also having that qualification, right? So what I'm going to tell you, Pute, when you go to any country, each country is having a separate qualification from chartered. So this chartered qualification could be equal to that as well. So there are MOUs. When you get this, you will be having that. So in any country, chartered accountancy qualification is the highest recognized qualification, right? So that is a premium accounting qualification. So next one is, then what is ACCA? What is ACCA? I would say ACCA is the second most recognized qualification. So if you don't want to become a chartered accountant, you can try ACCA, right? What is ACCA? That is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is one of the recognized professional qualification in the world. Why I put as one of the recognized? Because chartered is ahead of that. So that's why I put. If not, I could say after chartered, the second, let's say second most recognized qualification in the world, right? So now I'm going to combine both of these. I'm going to combine, if you want to become a chartered accountant or ACC, I'm going to tell both the benefits you are getting from that. I mean, combine the common benefits, why you need to become. Rather going for another qualification. So what are the other qualifications? But I'm not putting down any qualification. So other qualifications kind of, let's say SEMA, maybe CMA, maybe AAD. So after A-levels, why you should not go for that and you need to go for the chartered accountancy or ACCA? Why? First one is, CA is the most recognized accounting qualification in Sri Lanka, followed by ACCA. Right? If you want, you can become a chartered accountant, if not ACCA member. Kind of a very, I mean, small difference, right? Small difference is there. Recognition point of view, that could be the first, but anyway, that's okay if you want to go for double ACCA as well. Next one is, both CA and ACCA are recognized worldwide as top qualifications. This is being recognized in all over the world as top qualifications. And the next one is most demanding accounting qualifications due to all-rounding knowledge and skills. Why I'm telling this? I will be coming later for this. I will explain you, right? I will explain you in detail what is mean by this. Then the next one, these both CA and ACCA members are having the highest demand. If you go for a job, right? If the interboard is there and you are having either chartered or ACCA, you will be having the highest demand in an interview, right? So most of the English medium students I see, if you have done English medium, mostly the A-levels, I see most of them are doing ACCA and chartered, right? So that's the reason why I'm conducting this also in English medium. I have done a separate video for chartered accountancy in Sinhala medium as well. Now, next one, the chartered accountancy. This is only for chartered accountancy. Chartered accountancy is the only profession to conduct all three accounting, auditing and taxation services activities. No other qualification is having the authority to conduct all these three tasks. And also, highest priority will be, so this is for both the ACC and chartered members. Highest priority will be given when requesting bank loans and financial assistance. What is this? When you become a chartered accountant or an ACC member, bank knows that you have the paying capacity. They know that you have money, you are earning much. So which means you don't have any issues of repaying something to them. So they will offer bank loans. They will coming after you. Hello, there is a bank loan. Do you like to get it? This is the interest rate. Do you like to get it? Something like that. And also, when it is given, they will be giving you lower rates compared to the others. So I can remember when I got my first vehicle, I also got a lease and they give me a 1% lower rate compared to the normal rate. Right? That is due to the qualification I'm having. And over 70% of CEOs, directors and top management personnel in Sri Lanka, I'm telling about the top management, not the middle and the lower, having either CA or ACCA qualification, right? Then availability of different job opportunities due to diversified areas in both CA and ACCA. So this is something that I have told you before. So what is this? I'm going to explain. What is diversification? Diversification in the sense, I'm telling and I hope most of other professionals also will agree with me, CA and ACCA are all-rounding qualification. Why this? Pute, as I told, I'm not putting down any qualification, but I just wanted to tell, I met some students last time. I asked what you are doing. They told, so I'm doing SEMA. Then I asked why you are not doing chartered and or ACCA. Then that student, right, it's a boy, he told, sir, chartered and ACCA are financial accounting qualifications, no? SEMA is a management accounting qualification. No? So that's the reason why I'm doing this. Then I'm a person who is teaching management accounting. So I got really sad. Why? Other one could be a management accounting qualification because name also itself says Chartered Institute of Management Accounting, but that also have other different categories also, right? That's also good qualification, right? That is also good qualification. But you cannot label these two qualifications as financial accounting qualification. Why? I'm going to prove it. I will first of all tell you, in chartered accounting, there are many subjects from management accounting than you compared with the financial accounting. When you compare with the financial accounting and the management accounting, even chartered accountancy is having more management accounting subjects. So then, how could it become a financial accounting qualification? No, not at all. Why? I will explain. This is the chartered accounting syllabus, curriculum. You are having 4 levels: business level 1, business level 2, corporate, strategic level. So when you have these 4 stages, see what are the subjects you need to do. You need to do BL1 financial accounting at the first level. You need to do business mathematics and statistics. You need to do business law. You need to do econ and business studies, right? So there are 4 subjects in the first level. And when you go to the second level, you are having what? You are having auditing subject. You are having management accounting. You are having business taxation. You are having digital business strategy. Then once you go to the corporate level, you are having advanced audit and assurance. You are having corporate financial reporting and governance. You are having advanced management accounting. You are having corporate law. Then once you go to the strategic level, you are having subject called advanced business reporting, corporate finance and risk management. You have corporate taxation, strategic management and leadership, right? So what you can see now, I will prove. Still, I haven't proved this. I'm only telling this is all-rounding qualification. I'm starting from management accounting. Now let me see. This is the area now I have highlighted. What is this? This is the management accounting pillar in chartered accounting qualification. See, there are 4 subjects relating to chartered accounting from the management accounting. Now, what is business mathematics? Is it combined maths like A levels? No, that is maths relating to businesses. Now, let me see. You will learn BL2, you will learn BL6 management accounting, again advanced management accounting, then financial management. These are not financial accounting. These are the subjects that you need to get internal decisions. The decision-making ability of a CEO, CFO, will decide based on the subject knowledge you are getting from these subjects. So, if someone is telling you, chartered is a financial accounting qualification, don't get any advices from them. Why? Because they don't have an idea on this qualification. That's the reason, right? I'm even not telling that the SEMA is a management accounting qualification. SEMA is a lot more on that because they are having some case studies as well. But when you, see, there are also financial reporting. So there is no professional qualification that you will be getting because of one specialization, right? So next one, what is that? Financial reporting pillar you are having. You are having BL1 financial accounting, CL2, right? SL1. So these subjects are even done by industry experts in online accounting. You have a lecturer called Chamat Sirivarthana. He is a kind of an industry expert. We are putting people from the industry to do these subjects, right? So this is a financial reporting pillar. See, that you have even 3 subjects. When you compare to the management accounting, that is you are having 4 subjects. So that is financial reporting pillar. Then next one, strategic management, econ BS, digital business strategy. These are strategic management where you need to get strategic decisions, the top management decision, right? Having a new outlet, what you are going to do for the internal process, that is being discussed in this subject. So you will be getting the overall knowledge of a manager, right? Top manager, CEO, CFO through this. Next, is it only that? No. You are having auditing as well. So in SL1 subject also you are having kind of a auditing on that. Then you are having tax and law subjects pillar on that. Then Pute, next one. This is only chartered accountants in his home. So I need to do ACCA. Why you are not going to explain that? Yes, wait. I'm going to do that. What is this? This is the ACCA curriculum. Right? This is the ACCA syllabus. You can see there are 3 levels called. Now even chartered business level is a 1. So that is being divided into 2. You have 3 levels called applied knowledge, applied skills, strategic, professional, right? Knowledge, skills, professional. That's how we normally spell. Knowledge, skills, professional. So when you go to the knowledge, you are having 3 subjects. That is where you need to start if you are going to start ACCA. That is financial accounting, management accounting, accountant in business, right? That is kind of the technology subject, business technology, right? Okay. So then in applied skills, you are having corporate and business law, you are having performance management, you are having taxation, you are having financial reporting, audit and advance or audit and assurance, financial management, and in the strategic or the professional level, you are having 2 mandatory subjects called business leader and the business reporting. Then advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, advanced audit and assurance, which is the higher level of the skill level pillar. Now still I haven't proved this is not just a financial accounting qualification. So I'm starting from the same way. I started the chartered qualification, the management accounting pillar. What are the management accounting related subjects you are having here? See Lamai, how many subjects? You are having management accounting in the first level. You are having performance management and financial management in the second level. You are having advanced financial management, advanced performance management in the final level. Many students are doing these 2 subjects as well. So how many subjects? You are having 5 subjects with all relative, right? Optional sum. You need to do 2 subjects, mandatory 2 subjects. So in professional level, there are 2 mandatory subjects, and with that you need to do another 2 subjects. You can select any of subjects from the 4 subjects from the optional, right? So Lamai, see, management accounting, you have 5 subjects. Now can anyone say this is a financial accounting qualification? No. If you, I'm personally recommending, this is my personal recommendation, right? Don't blame me, right? When you see the market, right? When you see the current trend, even when you see the institutes who are conducting CIMA classes, now they are turning to ACCA. Why? Because in future, ACCA will grab the market because of having the diversified knowledge in many areas. So if you are going to do chartered, no problem. Anyway, chartered is having the current highest demand. Now currently ACCA is having the second highest demand. When you go back to like 5 years, 10 years, it was the third, but now it's becoming second. Why? Because of the diversified subjects in the curriculum. So the ACCA student who is getting the ACCA qualification is not just a financial accounting, not just a management accounting, not just a auditing, not just the strategic management. It is a whole rounder. So that's the reason why there is a demand. And the next one. Next, you are having financial accounting, right? See, you have financial reporting, only 3 subjects. Even management accounting, you are having 5 subjects. So why I put in financial management also? Because financial management is kind of a complex area from the management accounting. So financial reporting you are having, that is the second part. Then you are having business technology subject and strategic business leader, strategic management. Then you are having others, corporate and business law, taxation, audit. These also having. So what is I'm telling? This is not just a specialized professional qualification. This is having different areas called financial accounting, management accounting, right? Then auditing, then you have strategic management, you have taxation and law. That is the beauty of having either chartered accountancy qualification or ACCA qualification. Now, Lamai, what are the exam intakes? In both of these, if you are doing chartered level 1, business level, or ACCA knowledge level, so business level 1 and 2 is kind of one. I mean, same way they have exams. That is, there are 4 exam batches: March, June, September, December. When you come for the ACCA, Lamai, those are on-demand exams. What are on-demand exams? You can book today and do the exam tomorrow, right? But now we cannot do like that, no. So we will be doing classes targeting 4 exams, same like chartered. That will be for March, June, September, December. So you can attend for online accounting classes, let's say for September batch. So you are attempting for coming for September batch classes. So maybe you can do the exam in October, but you have to do in September. Make sure you cannot delay, right? So then level 2. Wait, before I'm going for the entry qualification, level 2. Corporate level, in chartered, you are having exams in June and December, same in the strategic level. And when you go for the ACCA, you are having the same, the way we have targeted, March, June, September, December, you are having exams, 4 exams per year. That is worldwide exams, and corporate and business law also kind of a on-demand exam, right? So in on-demand exams, prizes not given, but for others, prizes given. In chartered, all levels prizes given. So IELTS ranks also. And what are the entry qualification? First, let me go to the chartered. If you want to become a chartered accountant, you need to start chartered from the A levels. If you have done any stream, right, bio, maths, anything, you need to have 3 S passes from any A level stream, and even pending results, student can start. Now what is happening normally, after done with the exam, students are joining. So after coming the results, they will be confirming that to the institute, and first of all, after the A level, they will be getting ready from the classes, they are attending to the classes and they study. So maybe after 2-3 months, when the results came, they register. So that's how they do the exams, right? So you can start. And if it is ACCA, there are 2 routes. First one is what? First one is you need to have 2 C passes in A level, right? 2 C, only 2 C. Other can be yes or fail. 2 C passes in A levels plus O level English and mathematics, right? Plus 3 C passes including O level English and maths. But that is a route 1. Someone will ask, if we don't have that kind of qualification, can't we do ACCA? You can do. I think only Sri Lankans and Maldivians can do. What is that? Route 2 after O level. Based on the O level also you can do. But the thing is, difference between these 2 is, if you are coming from the route 1, you can do level 1 and level 2 together as well. But if you are coming for the route 2, make sure you have to first of all finish up the first level to proceed to the second level. If not, you cannot do both levels together. Normally, we don't do both levels together. We will finish up the first level. So you can register from this route 2 as well. So don't need to worry about the results. You can definitely register with the route 2 as well, right? So we can give you hotline numbers. You can contact ACCA Institute as well. Now, there are some students who are coming from AAT. So what is happening for the AAT students? If you are a AAT pass finalist, right, you will enjoy 6 subject exemption from chartered and 4 subject exemption from ACCA. So if you are doing chartered, you will be starting from the second level, BL6 and BL8. And if you are doing from the doing ACCA, you will be getting financial reporting subject also in the skills level and all 3 subjects in the first level. So you can start from the skills level with us. We are doing classes for both of these qualifications, CMA qualification, AAT qualification. Right, Lamai? Then, now I don't know we are doing classes. So, it's my responsibility to tell you why you need to select onlineaccounting.lk. But Lamai, don't just select because I'm telling. You do some researches. You see why this is quality. You see whether the actually quality is there, right? Then you decide. Then you take your decision. Pute, this is onlineaccounting.lk is the only institute in Sri Lanka, only institute, which means number one out of one institute in Sri Lanka to produce island first in 3 consecutive exams. No one has ever done island first in 3 consecutive exams for the in the new curriculum, right? So then, only institute in Sri Lanka to produce island first, second, third in both levels. So this is not from one level. First level and the second level in a single batch. So island first we have, island second we have, island third we have. That is from both levels we have. Then this is the only institute in Sri Lanka to produce island first in third level as well. Only institute, right? You can see the success stories of those students from our YouTube channel as well. And institute to produce highest number of past finalists in last 3 years. So let's say there will be 100 past finalists. We will be producing normally 80 of that. Can remember in one batch, chartered accounting, there were 200 chartered accountants. From that, 160 produced through us, 80% from us. So you can see how much of students are getting, right? We don't have in the first level, we don't have 80% market. But when you go for the final, we are having 80. What is that? Because our pass rates are good. So most of the students starting from us will be finishing the qualification with us. So that is the fourth one. And also, Putel, you can learn anytime, anywhere, and any number of times till your examination. What is this? You can learn from anywhere. You can be from Kandy, you can from Colombo, Gampaha, anywhere, right? So in AAT level 1, I can remember there were students from Nuvareli, Datiklo. Everyone is studying. And you can learn at anytime, anywhere. So anytime, at any time you can learn, and also any number of times. So once you are done with the A levels, you will be going for jobs. You will be going for universities, other degrees as well. So when you are doing all these, Pute, you don't have time to focus on a live timetable. So that's the reason why we are giving this, and this is the reason why mainly we are having prize winners as well, right? So then this is the only institute to cover full syllabus in all levels, in all qualification, whatever the qualification we are doing, chartered, ACCA, CMA, AAT, we are covering full syllabus, and this is the only institute to do that in Sri Lanka. We have proved it. Then highly experienced, highly qualified lecturers we are having chartered accountants to teach chartered accounting, and also some chartered accountants are teaching ACCA as well. We are having ACCA members to teach ACCA. And they are having very attractive learning styles. Like I'm presenting some of the subjects, they are doing like this. Some of the subjects from the whiteboard, some of the subjects from the smart board as well. So with the subject, based on the subject, they will be changing the way they are doing the lectures. It will be really attractive for you to concentrate on the subject.
So second question, right, as you can see, it says, skills specific to job that are necessary for the performance of a specific task in an excellent manner. Makari wadak excellent makaranda. What sort of skills do you really need to know? So this is specifically talking on our managers, right? So when it comes to management or as specifically managers, different sort of skills play a pivotal role for their success. So given the context human, conceptual, technical and diagnosis, right? What is the main skill which would be, right, the point to understand in here is, right, this one, which says the skill the interpersonal skills, right? So Or else we have conceptual skills where we discuss about conceptuals. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකක්ද theories, logics. මොකක් හරි problem එක solve කරන්න ගියාම ඔයා ඒ concept එක දන්නවද? ඒ ගැන concept එකක් දන්නවා. But that is more into little bit of theory. But we ask about specific task.
Then we are the institute having highest number of students with highest pass rate in Sri Lanka, right? So that is all about online accounting. Small, I mean, data like information on us. So till the date I am doing this video, we are having 24,000 plus students. So maybe after A-levels, we will be having maybe more of this. So we are currently having 24,000 plus students within 3 years, and we are having 2,500 plus average number of students are watching videos per day. Highest one was around 4,000. So even when the most of the students are watching, nothing will happen to website. So nothing like when you get the A-level results, the site will be blocked. No, this site can accommodate any number of students, right? So then we have covered 25 districts. Last year we have covered only 22 districts. Then we covered Mullaitivu and Kilinochchi as well. We covered means namai. There are students who joined to us from those 2 districts as well, and another one. So because of that, now we have covered all 25 districts. So all students from 25 districts are learning with onlineaccounting.lk, and also we have produced 100 plus prize winners in all the professional qualification. This is not only from one, right? From all these. Then Pute, so how to purchase these? First of all, you need to register. That is free of charge. You don't have any admission fee. Then you need to log and purchase, kind of a way that you are, creating email address, Facebook account, Instagram account. So then you have to download the tute and watch the videos. And mostly for like first 2 levels, you have to attempt MCQs because you are having MCQ questions, papers. So we will be putting that. Step 5 is ask anything from lecturers through the Telegram groups. If you need to ask anything, all the lecturers are in the Telegram groups. So we will be, you will be getting the link for that. You can ask anything from that. So that is how. And if you want to contact us, you can call us through not 11-260-3290, then not 7649-43533. Then from the Facebook also you can get information, and also from Instagram, LinkedIn, we have all these social media access as well. So that is how you can contact us, right? So my final advice, if you want to do a professional qualification, make sure number 1 is always chartered accountancy, right? So if you can do chartered accountancy, don't think twice, do it, right? Even if you are doing ACCA or any other kind of qualification, it's profitable through online accounting as well. But we are guiding you to become the best of the best. First thing is chartered. But I'm personally telling you, if you are deciding, comparing ACCA and ZIMA, I would say definitely go with ACCA. Because you may tell anything now, but after 3-4 years, you will tell me, right? So that advice was a lucky point for us even. I have changed the mind of some students even. I can remember the business level 1, I learned first student in September 2021. Anjali, right? I can remember she called me at the time she was selecting, right? She was very afraid of doing chartered. I asked, she has done A-levels in English medium as well. I told, chartered is not that much difficult that you think. So this is basically most of the people, the other people who wants to promote other qualification may tell you something. But Pute, I told her, I showed some of the success stories who became chartered accountants at the age of 22. I showed. Now she did it. She became the island first, and do you believe she scored 100 out of 100 marks for one subject. That is the first time that a student scored 100 out of 100 marks for that particular subject. That is BL4, Business Studies and Economics. She even haven't done business studies for her A-levels. She has done accounting, econ and ICT for A-levels. She didn't do business studies. That was the first time she has done business studies, and that was the first time a student scored 100 marks for that subject. So what I'm telling you, this is not something that is difficult like others are telling. And also this is not easy. Normally the level 1 business level chartered pass rate is around 50%, right? ACCA also I think 60%. Even put A level, that is 70%. So what you see, A level also not easy. A level, the thing is you are learning for 2.5 years, but here the professional qualification stages you are learning within 6 months. So that's why you need to have a good service provider. So my suggestion, if you can do chartered, please do it. If not, please go with the ACCA. If you are still deciding based on CIMA or ACCA, I would say go for ACCA. But if you really want to do a CIMA, no problem, right? We are not doing that classes. We are doing chartered ACCA, AAT and CMA. They are a good classes. CIMA also good qualification, right? I'm not putting down anything. But I want to, from my personal experience, this whole presentation has been done from my personal experience. What I see in the market, right? What I see from the job opportunities, I would say ACCA is having a highest demand compared to the other lower level subject. So either chartered or ACCA, it's must to do. If you want to excel in the industry, you can do others, but after doing that, you may have to get a further qualification as well. I have seen the students who are getting other qualification. After that, they are trying some MBAs. Again, they are trying to come for chartered. Again, they are trying to come for ACCA. So why you are doing like that? Just start it, finish. That's all. Then we can make our future. Why we are living? To be happy. To be happy, you may need some money as well. You don't need a lot of money, but you may have some kind of money to satisfy your needs, right? To satisfy your day-to-day needs. So that's why I'm telling, get the correct decision. Get the, most important decision in your life. Maybe you have got few results, maybe 3 C's, 3 B's, 3 S's, no problem. Don't just forget it. I have seen many students, many of my friends, right, who have done, who have not performed well in A levels, but done well in chartered or ACCA. Sometimes they became qualified before than us. Why? I went to university, so in first 2 levels, I had a time to go for the training. So I had to give up that 2 years. So some students, some of my friends became qualified, both of these qualifications at the age of 22. So there are things that you can do. Make sure whatever you have done up to now, just forget it, start fresh and do it, finish it. Your future, you need to decide. So I hope you will take a very good decision based on my input as well. Don't only trust my information, just do your own researches as well. So if you want to join me, chartered ACCA, or maybe some of the students are doing 80 final after A level, you can join CMA. We have all these 4 professional qualifications at online accounting, and I will guarantee, our team will guarantee that you will experience the highest quality lecturing delivery service from this institute. So I wish you all the very best. Stay safe.
onlineaccounting.lk